Hey, alright guys, I welcome you all to this video where I'll be showing you how you can generate phone number of prospects by using this powerful software which is called lead extractor. It's one of the powerful software that can help to extract emails and phone numbers depending on the niche in which you fall into. In this video, we are going to center our discussion about how you can generate phone number of prospects using this powerful software. If you need a full tutorial on how to make use of this software to generate both email and phone number, check the description section where I will drop a video in which I explain step by step how to make use of this software to generate those contacts. Now we have two options. Either you can generate your leads, which is phone number, through search engine, or you can make use of you can generate them through websites. For the sake of this video, I'm going to generate our phone numbers through Bing and Yahoo. You can also include ask.com if you want to generate your phone number also through Ask. Now we have selected 3 different search engines. The next thing is for you to enter the keywords in which you want to use. For the sake of this video, I went on ChatGPT to help me generate 10 keywords related to weight lost. Now let me paste the keywords here. As you can see, I have the 10 keywords here. The next thing is for you to click on this arrow to show that you are trying to move the keywords to this site. Just click on this arrow. Those keywords as they move to this part. The next thing is for you to click on search now. When you click on search now, it will bring out 2 options. Either to you want to filter, click on yes to filter, so that come down to where we have this contact type. Now you would only want phone number, we don't want email address. Likewise, you don't want the Skype address. Next is for you to click on apply. See the magic. As you can see now, within 18 seconds we have generated over 200 leads using this software. It means that within 5 minutes you can have 5,000 leads using this software. When you have the right tools in place, you can have a good and nice leads. As you can see now, this thing is crawling different web address by generating, looking for the phone number of prospects. The next thing is, from when you are done with your generation, for the sake, let me just software. The software has been stopped now. The next thing is for you to click on Ctrl A and come down to where we have the save option here, or you can come to validate to validate. Maybe there are some phone number that are not genuine, in which it's going to remove those phone numbers. But since we have a good, as you can see now, is 0 out of 433 is invalid. The next thing is for you to click on save here. Since you want to save only the phone number, just untick all this that we have here and come down to phone number here and click on save. It will ask you the name in which you want to save it. Let's save it leads phone number. Just click on save. Now we have saved the phone number. Just go to where we have the phone number and let's see how the phone number look like. As you can see now, these are the phone number of the prospects you generated through this powerful software. Next thing is for you to go back to the software and Maybe you want to send email to your prospect. Just get the phone number and send them the message that you have for them, just to convert them and sell your product to them. If you need this powerful software, check the description section where I'll be dropping the details on how to have this software. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. See you in the next video. Bye for now.